Hi, it's Colin McIntyre here, and today I'm recording a video review of a new product by a guy called John Newman, who I don't know, but I know some of the people he works with, and they're all top notch. And the product is 10 times commissions machine. Now, the fact that I'm shooting this video should give you a clue that I think this is a fantastic product. And let's be honest, I review lots of products where I don't shoot a review and I don't promote them. But if you subscribe to this channel, you're always going to get reviews of really top class products that you might be interested in purchasing. So subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please like that as well. Now don't go away, because at the end of this review I'm going to talk about a specific exclusive bonus package that I've put together, which is worth hundreds of dollars to support the already special bonuses that they're delivering. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the website and talk you through why I really like this product. Okay, so I'm inside the membership site, 10 times commissions machine, and you've got your normal introductions, welcome emails, overviews, join a Facebook group, his YouTube channel, and also Cynthia Benitez, who is somebody I do know, and we have promoted her products in the past because they're fantastic too. So I know that John's working with her on this product, which is one of the reasons I've reviewed it. Now, what I really like about this program, and it is aimed for people that are pretty new into internet marketing, and it's really about trying to cut out the waste of setting up an affiliate marketing business. It tells you one method that works, and if you go and do the work, and you need to do some work, then you can really make some good commissions. And if you go to the sales page, there's plenty of examples and proof of the fact that these processes work for them. But it's not a get rich quick. It really is about the fundamental building blocks. And so I don't want to give too much away, but it is about building some channels such as a blog and a YouTube channel, because they're fundamental. And then it shows you how to use those to promote products and to get traffic. So fundamental work, shows you how to set up your first website and how to do that for free. Tells you how to set up a YouTube channel, which is key in this method, and any successful or most successful affiliate marketers now have a YouTube channel. I mean, that's just a fact. And there are ways of creating videos that you don't always have to be on there, but actually it's better if you learn to promote products and get your face on camera. Not everyone will want to do that, but I'm being honest, that's the way forward, and this program doesn't shy away from that. It shows you how to get an autoresponder for free. Aweber now have a free account, so if you haven't got an autoresponder, you can get one through there. Shows you how to select a product, what products are likely to make commissions for you, and generally they're the ones that actually you think are useful to yourself, because it's far easier for you to write a successful video or create a successful video like I'm doing at the moment with something you really like. Shows you how to create a bonus page. It also shows you the shortcut, which is to actually buy a product through them called Commissions Gorilla. Lots of people use it. I don't yet, but I may well begin to use it, because pulling together a bonus package can take time. They've then got something which really interested me, which is how to, as an affiliate, get hold of a buyer's list. So normally if you're promoting the product, you don't see who's bought the product from you, just see your sales, which means you don't have a buyer on your list. Now, one of the products that I was involved with, that we released, Mark Whiteley, who was my coach, had a method of getting hold of a buyer's email as an affiliate, and we covered that in the product launch email cash funnel. This one has a slightly different variant on it, so I'm trying it. I don't know whether it's better or worse, but it's a similar way of getting hold of a buyer's email. And a buyer's email is worth far more than just a subscriber. you already know that they will spend money. So really important, and I like that hack a lot. One of the reasons I've been really attracted to this software. And then it talks about 10 times commissions machine. And really what we're talking about here is having the processes in place that just keep on turning out promotions and traffic. So it's a series of processes that you need to run. Talks to you how to get traffic from your blog. Most importantly, and a hugely important aspect, is it also includes how to promote promos through emails, and how to do that properly, give yourself the best chance of making sales. Covers building a landing page, and it shows you how to do that on a free software if you don't have a landing page builder already. Talks about free traffic. It also talks about buying solo ads for leads, which is always a great way to start, because you can get traffic very quickly. It's a great way of testing your systems and of making sales. Sometimes you need to supplement that with additional traffic sources, and that's covered in one of the one-time upgrades. Okay, and then there's something about branding as well. Some conclusions, next steps, and your bonuses, and a few unannounced bonuses. Resources, which is a really good checklist of getting some of your bonuses and setting up your 10 times commissions machine. And of course there are some upgrades which I'll talk through now. Okay, so first product, front-end product, I think is launching at about $12 or $13. It might be increasing in price during the launch, but that's incredible value for what you're getting, because you are getting absolutely the ideal processes to set up as an affiliate marketer. On the first upgrade, it's what they call Pro, but it's additional traffic strategies, which will be important once you've mastered some free and ads as covered in the front end. Some additional strategies. There's also some further insider secrets. Second one is actually to get a bonus page created for you every week for 365 days. In other words, you could do a promotion every week if you could find products that you liked, and a bonus page would always be available for you. So that's a big time saver. So that's certainly worth looking at. I would be very interested in that. One-time offer 3 is if you feel that you're ready to start promoting this product. If you really like this product, like the look of it, and you want to promote it, then the third upgrade allows you to do that, and you'll keep 100% of all the commissions right across the funnel. So normally if you're promoting this product, you'd only have probably 100% of the front end and then 50% of the rest. Well, this would give you 100% all the way through, so including all the upgrades. And it also allows you to do the same with a previous product you released called the Collector. So you're actually getting 2 products resale rights for the price of 1, which is really good. Finally, you get a month's worth of coaching. You can buy a month's worth of coaching with John, and that's interesting because from reading and looking at this membership site, it's obvious to me that he's had some really good coaching himself, and I'd imagine he would offer really good value for money. So that's the 10 times commissions machine and upgrades. What I want to do now is just talk about the bonuses that I think complement that. So I spent a bit of time looking at what I have available to me, and let me go through those for you. So as part of the 10 times commissions machine, you get some really good bonuses actually. So you get Multiplizer, which is a software of its own, Urgency Suites Pro, which is a Brendan Mace product. I know about Boss Secrets is as well, I think. So these are separate products. You also get a product teaching you how to make money sending emails, and email marketing is key for any affiliate. and 0 work days. So these are full-blown products that support the training you're already getting. Now, what I've done is I've tried to develop that a little bit. So I'm offering 5 bonuses to match their 5 bonuses, hopefully doubling the value, and certainly there's far more value in the bonuses than you're paying for the front end product. So really it's almost a no-brainer. So first one is blog coaching. So it's some additional ways of making money from your blog. They talk about using it to get traffic and to make sales. I also talk about some others there in blog coaching. Also, you know, if you don't realize it, if you buy one of these softwares and start following along, you're actually becoming an entrepreneur. And one of the things that's very difficult, because there's lots of things to do when you're online, is how to be productive. So I've got hold of a training program, so ebook plus the video training upgrade for you, which tells you how to maintain your productivity or improve your productivity. Another way of making money, and as you look at how John Newman's training program is put together, is you might think, actually, I know some stuff I could put together into a course as well. So again, I've got you not just the ebook, but the video training, which would teach you the way you could actually do something like that yourself. You could launch your online course. Of course, it could be online marketing or affiliate marketing like John's doing. But it could be anything you're interested in. But anyway, full-blown training course there, trading product for you there. Brendan Mace, they've used some of his products as bonuses. I'm doing the same. Brendan launches huge amounts of products and makes huge amounts of money as an affiliate marketer. They tell you the importance of using a YouTube channel. Brendan develops that just on one half hour, I think it's about half-hour video, explains ways of really making your channel stand out and getting views to it, which is important. And finally, I just thought about why not a social media channel as well for promoting your products. So because that's not included in the system as far as I could see when I've been through it. So Twitter traffic secrets. Now you can use Twitter to promote your business as well. So all in all, you would get, if you buy through my link, you would get 10 bonuses, 5 provided by John and his team, and 5 by myself, all for a front-end product, which I think is below $15 at launch. So that's the end of my review of 10 Times Commissions Machine. I think it's a great product. I like the product because it shows a straightforward model and it's taught very well. Doesn't shy away from the fact that there's some work to do. It explains that you can make money, but to do that you need to work on a blog, you need to work on a YouTube channel. For anyone who's starting as an affiliate marketer or starting online, I think it's a fantastic primer. Certainly you could go from nothing to making, and I think John is making £5,000 a month at the moment, so that's serious money. Just following these processes, and actually you can rinse and repeat so you can make more. And also, it's not full of flannel, it's not full of you'll get rich tomorrow. It's a solid foundation. So if you are a newbie, or if you're someone that's not making money yet, I highly recommend the product. I hope my bonuses sweeten the deal. If they do, please, there's a link below, and buy the product from me. I'll earn a commission, but hopefully I'll have set you in the right direction. Till the next review. Bye.